It's such a proud moment to being featured and in Unboxing Beauty by my dear friend Dr. Archana Jain. Such a pleasure, and always Unite has been a community partner and for supporting Archana's all the events that she comes up with, and I'm so proud to be associated with her. Also would like to say a big thank you to all the media people who are always here to support us. And yes, Unite is a non-profit organization aiming at spreading positivity. Also very pleased to say I was recently awarded the Dr. Abdul Kalam Award by the Governor of Maharashtra at the Raj Bhavan, and we keep doing a lot of good work, and such an honor and gratitude that good people do talk about us, and that's how I think I am here at Unboxing Beauty. And it's a great event. Unboxing is all about beauty and beautiful things, and they featured me as an aspiring life influencer. So thank you so much for all the love and all the amazing work that Archana and her team keeps doing. India's Brainy Beauty, Unboxing Beauty, today's India Fame Awards. I think everything is just awesome to know. And thank you so much everyone for all the love always. And thank you everyone. See you all.
My name is Raj. It's short for Raj Abhishek Rajput, and I've been associated with Archana for like last 3 years. In fact, her first book I designed that, and her second book I've designed that as well, like from the inside and the outside. I am the creator of this book, like design wise, and I'm an engineer by academics, but I have gotten an award for designing. So yeah, that's a start for me, and I want to thank Archana and Rabia for recognizing my talent and getting me this award. It means so much to me. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So
Hello, my name is Isha Narvekar. I met Archana ma'am a year ago in the beauty pageant India Brainy Beauty. She really influenced, she really encouraged me towards beauty, and she introduced me what exactly beauty is. So she has unboxed beauty inside me. Through this book, she is unboxing beauty throughout. So please do read the book. Thank you.
Hello everyone, मैं हूँ Khanjana Kavan Mota, founder of Unoya Academy, and it's an absolute pleasure and privilege to be featured in a very renowned and a very amazing limited edition of Unboxing Beauty by Dr. Archana Jain, where she has put up 16 people from different fields all in one book. So do go check out this book, do buy, and it's an amazing feature which is covering the beauty and wellness industry at its best. Thank you so much.
So my name is Devrat Guha, 2-decade-old banker, and I am a nutritionist wellness coach certified by ICF. That's the highest body of coaching. Now, I have written a chapter on intermittent fasting. We have 16 authors in this particular book, led by Archana Jain, who has helped us grow as far as we can think of. Intermittent fasting के ऊपर मैंने कुछ लिखा हुआ है, which is about how people can lose weight by following a pattern of lifestyle, not by diet, because diet के expiry dates होते हैं. Intermittent fasting आप कभी भी कर सकते हो. तो उसके ऊपर लिखा है. Please read करिएगा, ये book बहुत अच्छा है. This has got brainchild of 16 authors, okay, and I think it would be really helpful for all of you. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Hello, this is Dr. Prema Sagar. I'm really delighted that Archana gave me the opportunity to get featured in the book that is Unboxing Beauty, because being a dentist, I'm a dentist. Being a dentist, beauty and smile go hand in hand. If you don't smile well, if your smile is not good, automatically your beauty is getting affected. So that is how she told me कि no, I really want to feature you in this book, and I feel डॉक्टर्स को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी देना कि वो बुक्स में फीचर हो या ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री में कंट्रीब्यूट करे, दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. एंड आई बिलीव कि शी इज़ गिविंग अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू टेल एवरीबडी that how it is important for you, how confident you are from within. You'll be confident only after having a good smile, and once you're confident, you're automatically beautiful, I feel. So thank you so much to Archana also for this book.
So Unboxing Beauty is a great initiative by none other Archana Jain. I call her AJ, and I've written a few lines for Archana Jain in regards to the way she conducts herself and the way she is for the people of this universe. खुशबू और बदबू का फ़र्क सबको समझ में आता है. खुशबू और बदबू का फ़र्क सबको समझ में आता है. People are insane, life is insane. जिसे दुआ और बद्दुआ का फ़र्क समझ में आता है वो है अर्चना जैन. So ladies and gentlemen, get your lives, get energized, naturalized, maximized, optimized. With Archana Jain, everyone gets Mickey-mized. I want this.
Hi, मेरा नाम अंजलि जवेरी संघवी है. I'm a jewelry designer by profession. अर्चना की बुक अनबॉक्सिंग ब्यूटी जिसमें मैं फ़ीचर कर रही हूँ. I would really thank Archana Jain for that opportunity and really thank for acknowledging and recognizing my talent. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
मेरा नाम हिना पटेल है. मैं प्रोफेशनल मेहंदी आर्टिस्ट हूँ और अनबॉक्सिंग ब्यूटी के अंदर मेरा फीचर अर्चना मैम ने दिया है और स्पेशली थैंक्स अर्चना मैम को कि उन्होंने हमें ये स्टेज पे प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है इसके लिए.
Hi, this is Shabina Sheikh and I would like to thank Archana Jain for putting my words into this book. इस बुक में जो पब्लिश किया गया है आर्टिकल दैट्स रिगार्डिंग पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट and as I'm a social activist and I have done a lot of things for underprivileged people and slum areas and for women empowerment and everything. So those are a few things which I have learned on my own and that's what I'm giving back to the society. So that's a great platform to showcase something which is being done by me for the society. So I would like to thank Unboxing Beauty and Archana Jain for this. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Pooja Gagwani. I'm a model and a social activist and I'm thanks to Archana Jain because she has invited me here for the Unboxing Beauty and thanks to her because she has given me a platform and I thank her and I'm a tarot card reader, I'm a Reiki healer but she has given me Unboxing Beauty award for the tarot card reader. Thank you very much. I'm obliged.
Hi, I'm Vani Biju, founder of Femme. The jewelry brand, the costume jewelry which I make. I'm thankful to Rabia as well as Archana. Meeting Rabia was the turning point and Archana, now the power duo is taking care of me. Thank you for featuring me in this. This has my story. Please read this and find out what I do and many others who are doing great job. Thank you.
Hello, this is Namit Agarwal, founder of Sparkle. I am featured in the book. Thank you, Archana, for featuring me in this book. Unboxing Beauty, okay, beauty replies to jewelry as well. And here I am with Sparkle and an online diamond jewelry brand. It's coming up to jewelry at your doorstep. And it's all about natural diamonds and affordable natural diamonds which you can wear every day in your lives and thus enhancing your beauty in your lives. Thank you so much, Archana, for keeping me in this book. Thank you.
Hi everyone, so this is Coco and Minnie. We are tea and coffee connoisseurs. The love of tea and coffee has brought us here today and we are very thankful to Archana for giving us this great platform and letting us beauty the unboxing beauty.
So it's great to have Unboxing Beauty with tea and coffee. Coco's been an education consultant and I am an event planner. Because of COVID, we are here because from events to coffee to tea, from education to everything that comes along, profession to passion, that's Coco and Minnie, tea and coffee bloggers.
And that's all Archana is about, getting your passion right there. So anything related to tea and coffee or having a chat with us about your experience, we are here to help you guys.
So for the love of tea and coffee, that's Coco and Minnie signing off.
Thank you.
I'm Fatima Kaba, founder of Bellissima Handcrafted Beauty Products and I'm really excited to be featured in Unboxing Beauty. I really thank Archana for making a little girl's dream come true and my brand is all about natural beauty products and I believe everybody is beautiful and so does Archana, so I'm really happy to be featured in the book and all the products that we make are made with love without harmful chemicals. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Archana. Signing off.
Hello everyone, I am Anisha Personi, a fashion designer by profession, owner and founder of Expressions Designing and Makeup Studio based in Mumbai. I'm truly honored and delighted to be a part of Unboxing Beauty. It is rightly said, follow your dreams as they know their way. And today that's why I'm here. I would truly appreciate Archana Jain for her vision and efforts she put forward for everyone. So from my bottom of my heart, I would like to thank Archana Jain for honoring me as a fashion stylist of Expression Studio. Thank you so much.
आज बुक लॉन्च हो गई है अनबॉक्सिंग ब्यूटी, तो इतने सारे वो ऑफिसर्स जिन्होंने इसमें लिखा है उसके लिए क्या कहेंगे, और मिकी मेहता, संदीप सुपारकर और रेखा जी ने बुक को लॉन्च किया, तो आप क्या कहेंगे, कैसा अंदर फील हो रहा है?
ये बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग फील हो रहा है बिकॉज ये मेरी आफ्टर शी इज़ अनलिमिटेड ये मेरी सेकंड बुक है, अनबॉक्सिंग ब्यूटी ब्यूटी एम्पायर लिमिटेड एडिशन। और मैंने इसलिए ये बुक लिखने के लिए चूज़ किया बिकॉज आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम अ ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री, आई ओन अ स्पा एंड सलोन, फ्लोरियन स्पा एंड सलोन, इसलिए मुझे ये इंडस्ट्री पे लिखना था वेयर मैंने 16 लोगों को टुगेदर गैदर किया है और उनके एक्सपर्टीज़ और नॉलेज को इस बुक में कंबाइन करके कोलैबोरेट करके सब एक्सपर्टीज़ उनकी इस बुक में शेयर किए। सो काफ़ी मज़ा आया और बहुत ही अच्छी जर्नी थी ये बुक लिखते टाइम पर।
इतने सारे लोग आके बुक को लॉन्च करने आए हैं, मिकी मेहता, संदीप सुपारकर, रेखा जी, तो इन सबों ने आपको बहुत अच्छा विश किया, तो क्या कैसा लग रहा है?
ऑफ कोर्स बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज सारे लोग बहुत डिग्निटरीज़ है और अपने अपने फील्ड में मास्टर्स है, जैसे मिक्की मेहता ही इज़ फ्रॉम वेलनेस फील्ड, संदीप जी वो आर्ट फील्ड से बिलोंग करते हैं, रेखा जी शी इज़ ऑल्सो फ्रॉम वेलनेस फील्ड। सो अगर जब ऐसे डिग्निटरीज़ आते हैं और इस बुक के बारे में रिव्यूज़ देते हैं और इस बुक के बारे में फॉरवर्ड देते हैं तो इट्स अ ऑनर फॉर मी दैट आई फील अमेजिंग टू राइट दिस बुक। यस, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, लाइक आई कैन सी माई सेल्फ ऑन दिस बुक कवर पेज एंड आई फील सो गुड थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
Hi, my name is Krupa Vora. I am a cosmetologist, entrepreneur, celebrity makeup artist and semi-permanent makeup artist. I am since a decade I am working in this industry and I was thrilled when I got to know that Archana Jain has selected me for this award and I'm so much thankful to her and she's considered me for this privileged time.
नमस्ते, आप सभी का स्वागत है और आई विश अर्चना जैन फॉर हर सेकेंड बुक वेरी वेरी कंग्रेचुलेशंस। और ये तो सिर्फ ये नंबर है सेकंड और अभी बहुत सारी बुक्स आनी बाकी हैं बिकॉज उनके दिमाग में इतनी सारी चीज़ें चलती रहती हैं एंड शी इज़ अ अमेजिंग सोशल वर्कर ऑल्सो। शी डज़ ऑल पॉसिबल सोशल वर्क टू दिस सोसाइटी बिकॉज इनका मानना है कि अगर सोसाइटी से कुछ मिल रहा है तो सोसाइटी को भी कुछ वापस देना चाहिए। सो आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर हर फ्यूचर एंड फॉर इंडिया ब्रेनी ब्यूटी ऑल्सो। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू हिमांशु जी। वैसे तो सिर्फ संडे इज़ अ फन डे सुना था लेकिन आज वो सुप्रीम फन हो गया बिकॉज वी हैड एवरीवन फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड ऑफ ब्यूटी, wellness as well as diamonds यहाँ पर early morning here at St. Regis and for the grand unveiling of Unboxing Beauty my very lovely friend Dr. Archana Jain जिनकी पहली किताब She's Unlimited unveil हुई थी last year 2020 में। मैं उसे ढेर सारी बधाई देना चाहूँगी on the grand unveiling of Unboxing Beauty. This is about feeling beautiful inside out and the entire world needs to feel beautiful and needs to feel that love. So early morning यहाँ पर हमारे इतने सारे dignitaries and celebrities right from the Bollywood world as well as our superstars were here. तो ये बहुत बहुत special रहा हम सबके लिए। Heartfelt congratulations to that lovely lady जो सिर्फ अपने आप को एम्पावर नहीं करती हैं बट ऑल द अदर लेडीज़ को एम्पावर करती हैं थ्रू इंडिया ब्रेनी ब्यूटी, थ्रू प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक दिस एंड नाउ द अवार्ड्स फॉर अनबॉक्सिंग ब्यूटी। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन योर इनॉग्रल अनवीलिंग एंड ऑन द ब्रिलियंट बुक ऑफ अनबॉक्सिंग ब्यूटी। थैंक यू सो मच। Florian Foundation has been absolutely into the world of every arena with humanitarian work. She's been a fabulous philanthropist and the one who just knows how to do seva. कहते हैं सेवा तन मन और धन से करना, हम तो इन्हीं से सीखते हैं। Thank you Dr. Archana Jain for being such a beautiful human being and for the lovely values that you have of humanitarian at the same time really going ahead and working for the masses. Lagatar 20 महीने of the pandemic, the kind of social work that you and your organization has done, several organizations including Florian Foundation. Hats off to you, we salute you. And here we have with us the very young and amazing dynamic entrepreneur, Dr. Archana Jain. Love you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I'm Shah Jain, founder of Shrey Jewels. I am one of the featured in the Unboxing Beauty Empire Limited by author Archana Jain, and the function was very well done, and the Unboxing Beauty book is a must read. 16 people have been featured, and you must read it. Thank you so much.
Hello, Namaste. My name is Dr. Parin Somani. I am an independent academic scholar, international motivational speaker, writer, author, humanitarian, and philanthropist. I've been invited by Dr. Archana to come for her Unboxing Beauty launching ceremony today, and I'm very privileged and very proud that I'm connected to Dr. Archana. She's an amazing personality, and Rabia Patel as well. So I think by coming here, that has inspired me to be the part of the event and part of the society where I can help the society and help. I have got two mottos in my life. The first motto I want to help the mankind until my last breath by bringing me here on this platform. That has given me something where I can help the society. And the second motto, by working together, we can make a positive global change. So by having all these awardees today, they were coming from the makeup artists, they were coming from the social activists, they were from the jewelry department, they were from all the walks of life, from education, so many places, so many field people were coming. So I think what Dr. Archana and Rabia Patel, what they are trying to bring everybody together in this global pandemic and giving the amazing platform, that helps me to inspire my work. So thank you very much for having me again. Namaste and bahut shukriya. Thank you.
Well, Unboxing Beauty is a beautiful book by Dr. Archana Jain. It talks about wonderful, amazing people who have achieved different parts of life. And this book also talks about what is really beautiful. It's not about the physical beauty, but it's the inner beauty that matters the most. And that is what Archana Jain has brought out in this book. And that is what is most important today. आजकल के ज़माने में हम लोग इतने खो गए हैं कि सारा social media हो गया. It's all about filters that we are using for our social media. This book talks about unfiltered people. It talks about the real people, which is most important. और जब तक दिल अच्छा होता है तब सोल बाहर निकल के आता है. That is what is real beauty, and that is what is talking about Unboxing Beauty talks about. So all the best to Archana Jain, and please get this book.
संदीप जी, आप बहुत बड़े कोरियोग्राफर हैं, बहुत बड़े परफॉर्मर भी हैं. जब डांस करते हैं तो इनर ब्यूटी और भी निकलती है डांस के साथ. तो आप डांस के थ्रू क्या इनको मतलब एज अ कोरियोग्राफर क्या विश करेंगे?
वेल, मैं तो यही बोलूँगा कि डांस एक ऐसा माध्यम है जिससे आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि हमारी इनर ब्यूटी बाहर निकलती है. हमारा जो सोल होता है, हमारी जो जज्बात होते हैं, हमारा दिल होता है, वो खुश हो जाता है. और जहाँ खुशी मिलती है वहाँ से हमेशा एक अच्छी एनर्जीज बाहर आती हैं. There's a very beautiful श्लोक which says यतो हस्तः ततो दृष्टि, यतो दृष्टि ततो मनः, यतो मनः ततो भाव, यतो भाव ततो रसः. जहाँ हमारे हाथ वहाँ जाते हैं, जहाँ हमारी नज़रें जाती हैं, नज़रें वहाँ जाती हैं, जहाँ हमारा दिल जाता है, दिल वहाँ जाता है जहाँ हमारे को भाव मिलते हैं. तो अच्छे भाव हो, अच्छी संगत हो, अच्छे सब लोग साथ में हो, मिलजुल कर जो बाहर आता है वो डांस होता है. जो कला होती है वो ज़िंदगी जीने की होती है, मंच की नहीं होती. सो प्लीज़ हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ, दैट्स व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. थैंक यू.